Looking to take your shooting practice to the next level? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best clay pigeon throwers that can seriously upgrade your training sessions. From ease of use to durability and performance, I'll walk you through what makes each thrower stand out, and of course, I'll share the real pros and cons so you know exactly what to expect. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned shooter, this list has something for you. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick. Champion Wheelie Bird Auto Feed Trap. The Champion Wheelie Bird Auto Feed Trap is a reliable and fun tool for clay shooting enthusiasts. Its auto feed system keeps the action going smoothly, and with a decent capacity, you won't be reloading constantly during practice sessions. The wheels and pull handle make it portable enough to move around the field without much hassle, which is a big plus. It also delivers consistent throws with good distance, making it great for improving accuracy. On the downside, assembly instructions could be clearer, and setup may take a bit longer than expected. Still, once ready, it's a durable and efficient trap that offers great value for regular shooters. Number 2. My second best pick. Champion Wheelie Bird Auto Feed Trap. The Champion Workhorse Electronic Trap is a solid choice for anyone who enjoys clay shooting and wants consistent performance without breaking the bank. It's compact, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful for its size, making it easy to transport and set up almost anywhere. The motor delivers reliable throws with good distance and speed, keeping practice sessions engaging and challenging. A big plus is how user-friendly it is, even for beginners. The only drawback is that its clay capacity is a bit limited, so you'll find yourself reloading more often during longer sessions. Overall, it's a dependable, portable trap that offers excellent value for recreational shooters. Number 3. My third best pick. Champion Range and Target Wheelie Bird. The Champion Range and Target Wheelie Bird 2.0 automatic trap is a great upgrade for anyone serious about clay shooting. It's designed with improved controls and an adjustable angle, making it easy to vary your practice sessions and sharpen skills. The powerful motor ensures smooth, consistent throws, and the 50 clay capacity lets you enjoy longer rounds without frequent reloading. Its wheel design makes transport and setup much more convenient compared to bulkier traps. One minor drawback is that it can take a bit of time to assemble the first time, but once set up, it performs exceptionally well. Overall, a durable, versatile, and reliable trap worth the investment. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Do All Outdoors Play Electronic Clay Pigeon Thrower. The Do All Outdoors Foul Play Electronic Clay Pigeon Thrower is a solid choice for shooters who want a reliable and easy-to-use machine. It holds up to 25 clays and launches them with good speed and distance, making practice both fun and realistic. The foot pedal control adds convenience, allowing hands-free operation, while the durable build gives confidence it will last through repeated use. Its compact design also makes it easier to transport compared to larger models. On the downside, the reloading capacity is somewhat limited, so you'll need to refill more often during longer sessions. Still, it's an excellent option for recreational shooters seeking consistent performance. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Do All Outdoors Clay Pigeon Thrower. The Do All Outdoors Raven Automatic Clay Pigeon Thrower is a versatile and convenient option for both casual and serious shooters. Its large capacity of 75 clay pigeons reduces frequent reloading, making practice sessions smoother. The 25-foot foot pedal cord allows for hands-free operation, while the wheels and pull handle make transportation around the range effortless. The electronic mechanism consistently launches clays at reliable speed and trajectory, providing a realistic shooting experience. One downside is that the machine can be a bit bulky for smaller spaces, so storage may require some planning. Overall, it's a dependable and user-friendly clay thrower for all skill levels. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite clay pigeon thrower? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.